What's going on, guys? Just want to take a minute to show you some new stuff we're launching for 2023. I know we're already into halfway through April, but here's some products that we've been fiddling around with. These are made with a CNC. You may have seen we just got a new laser cutter, but this is actually a different machine that I haven't posted video of yet. The CNC, for those of you guys that haven't seen it before, is basically a router with a cutting bit attached to a control arm and a computer, kind of controlling it all, telling it the perfect path to cut and all that. So can do a lot for removing material from items. So this is kind of the perfect item for a CNC. But as our robot army grows, so do our capabilities. So here we go, business card holders. This first one is made from curly maple. You can kind of see that curly grain in here. It's kind of hard to show on camera, actually. These nice purple ones behind, as you may have guessed, purple heartwood. Pretty sleek. The file lets us cut this nice little thumb groove in here. Very simple design. Minimalist, that's the buzzword, right? Okay, next we got a cherry one. This is kind of our, I don't know, our classic design. We like to use cherry. Cherry's a local, really nice hardwood around us. Very sustainable. Up next we got mahogany. This is kind of some average grain. Some of them have some bolder grain on them, like this one here. Pretty cool, got this nice banding. And then lastly, I wanted to show you this beefy guy. So we had a customer request basically this build. They showed us one that was made out of metal, I think maybe like machined aluminum. So we kind of put our own spin on it and made this version. So you can throw 3 pens here. This is good for business cards, but that's not really what we had in mind. It's really meant for bigger items like notebooks, calculator, even your phone. Most phones can fit in there because you'll see slot's actually pretty decent thickness. And post-it notes too, tuck right in there. So new office items. Hope you guys like them. We'll see if they do well on Etsy. I'll try to give you guys an update. But yeah, feel free to check out the site in the meantime and take a closer look. Till next time, bye.